Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will share the installation of 6 kilowatt which we have installed in Rawalpindi. So first I will show you the panels or the modules which we have installed. These are the A grade modules having 10 years replacement warranty and 25 years performance warranty. And the brand we have used here 370 watt Monoperk Shine. And first let me tell you about the structure. The structure we have used here L3 and L4, which is 14 gauge galvanized rust free. And the total number of modules we have used here 16 panels, almost you can say the 6 kilowatt. And the design we have used here 8 panels are connected in series, and similarly other panels, and then we have parallel together. And you can see the structure L4 from the back side as well. We have tried to cover the cables properly, and similarly I can show from the other back view as well, L3 as well. The reason, the space constraint, that's why we have covered from the back side. And similarly that is another view. So let's discuss about the inverter which we have installed. That is Infini V2 made by Voltronic, and right now the system is running without batteries. There is no battery with it, no WAPDA. And this is surge protecting device from the utility which we can save from in case of surge. And similarly these are the safety breakers used made by Schneider as well. And this is changeover from the solar and the WAPDA. And you can see the inverter is running without batteries, without WAPDA, and load is running still. And there is another breaker we have used here for the PV side, you can see. So that's the installation which we have done. If you have any question, you can write your comment, or if you have any suggestion, you can contact us.